Yes, sir.
Court is calling 2026 CR 0000499 State versus April Fields. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Brandon Breda for the state.
Tim Roundtree from Miss Fields.
And are you Ms. Fields?
Yes.
Okay. Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Fields, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State proceeding as presented.
We are, Judge.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has cooperated and worked with the judge here.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently confident and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Ms. Fields, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be denied naturalization, re-entry, and you will be deported. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. And everyone, just one moment. These judgments don't match.
Oh, yes.
Now, one of these is for someone by the name of Jose Mendoza Cabrera.
Take a look at that, Judge, and I'm ready.
Sure.
My apologies.
All right, you all step back. All right, thank you. All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 3 years in the prison. There's a $1,000 fine. All right, and the state recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be your plea? State defenses at the plea?
Yes, yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Any such motions?
There you are.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours community service restitution, DWI intervention, VIP live, ignition interlock full term, Texas license suspension for 2 years, and 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state, and other than what's statutory, the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Did you understand? All right. State, with regards to the 10 days Bexar County Jail, are you objecting if the court were to place her on GPS?
No, Judge.
All right,
No,
then
Judge.
to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Judge, we are State Exhibit 1, including all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Fields understands the seriousness of this. She has actually completed the DWI intervention course in advance. She is the sole, really primary caregiver of 3 school-age children. So we would appreciate if you would consider the GPS for those 10 days, Judge.
All right. And does she have ignition interlock?
She does not, because she does not have the vehicle. She has the mobile device.
And are you employed or no?
And so children.
Okay. Oh, no problem. So what's going on with you? Because this is your 3rd DWI. So that means that you're one of those people who cannot drink and know when to stop. And with regards to this accident, the hitting of the mirror, has that been paid for? So why are you drinking?
I wrote it. The lawyer, but
You can just tell that, I mean, basically, Judge. Sorry, no, I'm good.
So do you need, this is the thing, and this, the reason why I ask these questions is because people are placed on probation. I want them to be successful. And if there are some issues that are going on with you that are impacting your decision making, I need to know so I can set specific conditions so that we won't be here again.
yes, in the past years, I made much mistakes. Thank you.
Do you have family support? All right, who's your support system?
System, brother, father's passed, and then sisters and therapists, because I'm straight on preacher's child, church, house, or all along. I just make choices due to relationship.
Okay. Well, this is what I can tell you. And this is what I would always tell my clients. Everybody is on a journey in this thing we call life. And where you are now, hopefully, there will be an improvement and it won't be where you'll end up. So with regards to this GPS, so is it for employment? What is it for?
You mean the, 10 days in jail?
Yes.
Judge.
No, I mean, what does she need?
Oh, I see.
Because I can place her on partial or either full house arrest.
I know you're not part of it, but you leave the house, take care of things, food stations.
Now it's spotting.
So during those 10 days, when you need to leave the house, there's something.
Yes, it's like school on the 19th.
It's like,
Right. So you're not allowed to drive. You cannot, and you're not allowed to drive any vehicles that do not have ignition interlock on it. If you drive a vehicle that doesn't have ignition interlock on it, you know what's going to end up happening? Probation is going to find out about it. A motion to revoke is going to be filed, and you're looking at potentially 3 years in prison. So, all right. The court is going to find her guilty, sentence her to the following: 3 years in prison, suspended and probated for 3 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, test for alcohol, proof of employment, or are you employed or no?
no, Judge, she takes care of her kids full time.
Okay.
Trying to do substitute teaching on kids.
All right. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 4 months, 100 hours of community service restitution, deduct 1 hour for every sober support meeting that's completed. I'm going to require 1 sober support meeting per week, DWI intervention, VIP live, admission interlock full term, or PAM, if upon providing affidavit of non-driving, Texas license suspension for 2 years, partial GPS for 26 days, waive fees, and she's allowed to attend children's activities. I'll just call it children's activities. That includes taking them to school, and DWI education course. All right. Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm not going to order employment. She says she's a stay-at-home mom. TAP evaluation out of custody, follow TAP recommendations, and do a referral to felony drug court so she can see, and just have her evaluated for trauma-informed care. Is there anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea, because I followed your plea, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? Here's what you have to realize. Anybody could have been killed that day. Could have been children, right? That's the problem in San Antonio. People drink a lot. And then once you drink, you don't realize you've lost your physical and mental faculties, and you just think you're just fine. Again, I tell this to everybody. I have yet to have, in my past, had a client come to me and say, Stephanie, I want to let you know something. I purposely went out to drink to intoxication, and it was my intent to hit somebody, to kill somebody. Nobody ever says that, but you know what ends up happening? It ends up happening, and then the next thing you know, they're crying to you because they killed or injured somebody, and you know that ship has sailed. All right. Once you go over conditions with probation, you're excused. All right. Good luck to you. Okay, bye-bye.